السلام علیکم ورحمت الله وبرکاته رونو او خويندو په وره باندې کرکټ هم کله کتلې نم نه کتلې کنه راځي زه به در باندې وګورم خو چرته زایمه د ویډیو کتونه د کرکټ کتونه رستو بیا په خبرې کوم تاسو نظریات علم صحیح ده کمنټ کې تاسو خوښي کنه خوښي او تاسو پکې سوای راځي دا ویډیو وګورو رستو بیا په خبرې وکړو
Can you believe that the first ball on ice cricket is hit backward square, 4 runs? What a fantastic shot! And that was a bit of a slip in the field, went to the legs, and a bit of a misfield which went for 4 for Dilshan.
Yes, the divots form very quickly in the snow, of course. As you start running around the field and you're causing divots all the time, holes in the snow. I think that must have hit some sort of a rut.
So beautifully shaped cover drive, 4 runs, a fantastic shot through mid-off, and really Virender Sehwag getting used to this hopefully very quickly.
It was over-pitched, wasn't it? Gone out towards the long on. He's got aerial.
It's gone in the air and it's gone for 6, the first 6.
Absolutely, and I think they're very aware, these players, that if you go aerial, the ball is going to travel. I feel like you see the ball in Johannesburg, it goes a long way. And again, got the pitching wedge out there. The ball is almost flicked into the air by Sehwag, who races on 29 or 14 balls.
Yes, it's quite an impressive start by these two batsmen. Sehwag really getting used to this. Of course, Sehwag into this as the instigation. He's been really...
This is unique, this is fabulous. There's a big swing ball up here. Could be the first wicket. Duman getting under it and take it. But this chance will go. There we go. Up in the air. Maseed.
Yeah, top edge and very good catch from Raheem Shah.
Oh, brushed away. And that's going to be a huge 6 from what I can see.
He's on fire, Viru. Look at it. Long swing towards square leg. Into the stands.
Unbelievably pretty, that's for sure. This one down leg, bounced it away. There could be another 2. In fact, the previous 2 was the first double. It crosses the line.
Come on, Cherry.
Shahid Afridi, come on. Oh, how he edged it. Finally given big appeal by Shahid. And, former Slugger cap, there it is, trying to jam it down. Definite edge. And pretty easy catch. Shahid, delighted.
His commentating from there, he's going to play first ball to the third man.
Well, wrong choice. There's a fine leg thing. Timing effort there. Well done. The team appreciates that. And they're trying to race across for the 2. Oh, he may be gone. This is very close. You may say there was no need.
Let's have a look at the replay there. Good throw. Matt Pryor, the wicket keeper.
Right. But I'd say that's gone. And
I reckon
such a
he's
shame.
definitely gone. Came all the way from Australia, arrived last night after 40 hours, played one more.
I just think he underestimated the difficulties of running. I mean, the pitch is okay. He's got astroturf. He says that the water long. And in fact, he declared out here, which is such a shame. What a shame. Good cricket. Sehwag once again flashes it high into the sky, and that's going to be a big 6 again. And here we go, change of bowling. Daniel Vittori down leg, first ball, and that could be the first 50 on ice. And that belongs to Virender Sehwag. What a fabulous innings, we'll have to say. Very aggressive, typical Sehwag, will seem a delight.
Absolutely, another record to his name. The first 50 on a frozen lake. 54 of 25 balls, 3 4s and 5 massive 6s. Strike rate of 216. Absolutely good recovery by the Diamonds. Right in delivery. There was the first one towards square leg. Massive 6.
It's hard enough without the ticket. Oh, up in the air again, and this time it should be taken. And mid-wicket it is. Good catch for sure. Fred Sehwag will finally have to go. But what a nice knock. There it is, Izzy, up the sky. Simons takes over. If McCallum get a finger to it or a hand.
He's
Simon.
going upstairs.
Well, he
Gets
does
his
get a hand
fingers
to
to
it. Simons is bat. That's the key. Did McCallum get a hand to it? Yes.
It's a difficult angle to tell, isn't it?
Well, not from this angle, but I'm sure we'll get another. And Simon seems to be pretty cool about it. Yeah, he's back. Oh, well done, Andrew Simon.
Absolutely safe.
He knew what was going on there. Quick response by the big man.
Face one ball. One run and was run out.
Yeah, well, I have to say that was his score. Sehwag wasn't too keen on the double. That was earlier. Lassie getting no score. Quiet single to hit on.
With our aerial view behind the bowler's arm, and that's a bit of a slog. It's going to be caught. Yes, it is. Is he over the boundary, though? I think that was caught over the boundary there. The Colossus, the giant of a man from South Africa. Caught it over the line, over the boundary. Again, a little bit too short. Rocks on the back. That's a bit of where easy is the deep wicket.
Just rocked back to the bat, but short arm punch really through the onside.
Bit of a mess here. So the colour continues. Yeah, really freeing the arms there. Full-blooded drive.
Apart from that, I think shoes gets really cold, so you need special footwear as well, and hands get really cold, so that's something which we have to take care of. But
Accelerating. Several sixes to his name. See that partnership? Is that a tricky partnership, huh? Big appeal, they've got another one. They're dropping like flies at the moment.
And later on here we have maybe the second wicket.
This is the
Edge
most recent.
behind. And
I suspect they will go to about 170. Up in the air, should be taken easily, and it is!
Yes, flighty delivery outside edge from Hawaii and very easy catch.
Up in the air, oh, and he's set! Oh, up in the air, and that's not going to go for 6 for sure. Might just be about it.
Shabi, inside out, all the way for the maximum. Another 6 from the Diamonds.
خاورونو نو ویډیو مکتا دا په اگست میاشت کې د میچونه وشو 3 T20 میچونه وشو الموست د ویرندر سیواګ انډایو کلاړي دی او بل شهید افریدي د پاکستان کلاړي چې کوم دی د خپل ټیمونه دوی سره مشهور کسانو لکه تلکرانته دلشان او درامانی او غیره غیره لکه زاړه کم پلیران چې دي چې اوس ایکسپایر شوي یا اوس کم کرکټ نه کوي کنه هغوی ورسره وو او ډېر زبردست میچونه دا په یورپ کې وشو په سویس کې وشو سویټزرلینډ چې کوم ورته وایي ډېر یخ ملک دی ورونو هلته دا میچونه وشو او انټرنیشنلي کیمرې هر څه برابر وو انټرنیشنل میچونه وشو او ډېر خلک هم کافي ورته راغلي خو لکه دومره ډېر نه وو ځکه اول ځل یې وو که نه او آی سی سی والا د دې میچونو مطلب دا و د آی سی سی والا چې مطلب وګوري چې لکه په ژمي کې کرکټ کیږي که نه کیږي کم مشکلات به پکې راځي او مطلب دا دی چې خلک یې خوښوي څوک به ورته کیني که نه څوک به پکې انټرسټ والي که نه نو دې د وجې دا میچونه دغه کړه دا به نور هم کیږي نور به هم کیږي نورو ملکونو کې به هم کیږي او کیدی شي چې وخت داسې راشي چې مطلب که خلک ورته رایه ورکړي او خلک سپورټ کړي او خلک لایک کړي مطلب چې او دا صحیح ده وینټر کې مونږ غواړو کرکټ خوند کوي مزه کوي که نه نو بیا به څه شی کوي بیا به آی سی سی ورلډ کپ یا آی سی سی T20 کم کپ چې دی یا 50 اور کوم کپ چې دی دا ټول به دا به بې ژمي کې وي یا به یې کنورټ کوي ژمي له وړي نه به بې ژمي له وړي کال په کال داسې سیسټم به برابرېږي نو ستاسو نظر څه دی زه ستاسو نظر غواړم ښکته کمنټ وګورئ کمنټ سیکشن ته لاړ شئ ما ته نظر ولیکئ چې ستاسو نظر څه کله هم په واوره کې کرکټ کړی دی لکه فیملي سره کور سره کلي سره او خوښیږي هم که نه یا نه هم دی کړی مطلب واره کوي درته نه تاسو خوښیږي که نه کرکټ او ستاسو نظر څه دی کرکټ باید واوره کې وشي که ونه شي آی سی سی والا باید ورلډ کپ یې واوره کې وکړي که ونه کړي نو ستاسو نظر غواړم ښکته کمنټ کې ولیکئ سیټ کو سره دا ویډیو لایک کړئ لایک انګوټي یا ګوتې نشان دی هغه ووایئ چې لایک شي خلکو لا مخکې له ورشي خلک پرې خپل کمنټونه پرېږدي او ورسره سره ورونو دغه ښکته سبسکرایب لیکلی دا کلیک کړئ او سیټ کړئ ورسره د ټالۍ کم بټن چې د هغه هم کلیک کړئ چې تاسو ته زما نوې ویډیوګانې ټولې په پښتو ژبه کې راځي زه به د سپورټ او ټکنالوژي باره کې مهمې اهمې او خاص ښکلې ویډیوګانې جوړوم بعضې ویډیوګانې مې جوړې کړي اپلیکیشن وباره کې زما چینل کې شته ویې ګورئ ډېر مفید دي نو ډېر ښایسته ښایسته ویډیوګانې دي زه فضول شی نه جوړوم فضول شي باندې ټایم نه خرابوم تاسو ته به ګټه درکوي تاسو کوم ټایم خرابوئ زما په ویډیو کتو باندې نو انشاءالله ستاسو به ښه کېږي او دا ویډیو هم دومره وه یو بلې ویډیو ده په سره چې یو بله ویډیو جوړوم او بیا ستاسو خدمت کې راځم د الله په امان السلام علیکم